as you know, we are doing the methods of the goodwill. The first one was average capital method of the goodwill, and the second one was super profit method, and the third one is capitalization of goodwill. How we can calculate the capitalization of method? There are two methods in capitalization. First one is capitalization of average profit, and second one is capitalization of super profit method. So firstly, we should know how we can calculate the capitalization of average profit. Goodwill is equal to average profit into 100 upon NRR, stand for normal rate of return. In bracket you can see, and after doing this calculation we will deduct net assets. Now we should know average profits into 100 upon NRR. What is this and how we can calculate? This is the capitalized value of the business, or we can say profit. Firstly, when we are going to calculate the capitalized value of the business, we should average profit put here, and after doing the 100 upon normal rate of return will be given in your question. So we will write here, and after doing this calculation we will find the capitalized value of the business. After doing this we will deduct the net asset. What is net asset? Net asset is the capital employed as we have calculated in the previous video, in the previous method, and in this way we will find the amount of goodwill in capitalization of average profit. Students, now we will see the second method of capitalization of super profit. Capitalization of super profit, in this method we will calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Normal rate of return, as you know, will be given in your question. We will put here, and super profit we will calculate as we have calculated in earlier questions. And after doing this we will find the goodwill in capitalization method. And the one thing is very important and rememberable: if super profits are negative, then there is no goodwill of the firm. Students, now we will take the questions, now we will take the examples to understand these. Now we are taking an example to understand the capitalization method of average profit. How we can calculate? You can see in this question, a firm earned 60,000 as profit. The normal rate of return be 10%. Assets of the firm are 7,20,000 excluding goodwill, and liabilities are 2,40,000. Find the value of goodwill by capitalization method of average profit method. So as you know, we will do this question step by step. Total capitalization value of the firm. Total capitalization value of the firm, we would find the formula will be average profit upon normal rate of return into 100. In your question you can see the average profit is given of 60,000 and normal rate is given 10% into 100. The amount will come 6 lakh. Okay, and after doing this we will find the net asset of the firm. Net asset of the firm. The formula will be total asset minus total liability. total assets are given in your question 7,20,000, and total liabilities are given 2,40,000. And when we will deduct this amount from this, the amount will come 4,80,000. This is the net assets. Now we will put the formula of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to total capitalized value of the firm minus net assets. Total capitalized value we have found 6 lakh, and net assets we have calculated the amount 4,80,000. And when we will deduct net assets from total capitalized value of the firm, the amount will come 1,20,000. And in this way we will find the amount of goodwill in capitalization method of average profit. Now students, we will take another example to understand the capitalization method. Students, we are taking another example to understand the super profit method in by capitalization. So this is the example. Average profit of the firm is 1,50,000. Total tangible assets in the firm are 14 lakh, and outside liabilities are 4 lakh. In the same type of business, the normal rate of return is 10% of the capital employed. Here, calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. So, how we can calculate, how we can solve this question? Firstly, we should know capital employed of the business is total assets minus outside liability. We will use this formula. As total assets are given in our question 14 lakh, and outside liability 4 lakh. In this way we will find the capital employed 10 lakh. After doing this, we will find a normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed you have already calculated normal profit in the last video, so you know very well, I think, how we can calculate the capital employed and normal profit. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed we have found 10 lakh, and normal rate of return is given in your question 10%. In this way we will find the normal profit. Of rupees 1 lakh. And what is the formula of super profit? super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Normal profit. Average profit is given in your question 15 lakh. But this amount is not 15 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000 is the average profit, and normal profit we have found 1 lakh, and in this way we will find a super profit 50,000. After calculating the super profit we will find the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit in capitalization method. Super profit upon normal rate of return into 100. 50,000 into 100 upon 10, and the amount of goodwill will come 5 lakh. In this way, students, we can find the goodwill in capitalization method. Here is the question: after calculating super profit, when we are not capitalized the super profit at that time, N by P, number of years purchase will be given in your question, and at that time we will multiply the super profit by N by P, and our goodwill we will find. And when we are using the capitalization method of super profit, at that time we will use this formula: super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. In this way we can understand thoroughly the whole method of capitalization, which are two: capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method. Thank you. Till then, stay home, stay safe.